I'm out in the warehouse today and I'm about to edge some pool coping that we're putting together for a custom pool, and I thought I'd show you the process. So here we've got our cream limestone. You can see that we've cut it to a curve. We have this digitally measured with a laser out on site, and we've taken it down to a water jet fabricator here in Melbourne who's taken those CAD files and cut it perfectly to these radial pieces. What I'm going to do today is take this inside edge, pencil around the top and the bottom, and just tidy it up so that the finish on the top matches the finish on the side. The tools I'm going to need for this are, first of all, a grinder to round the top and bottom edges and just tidy things up a little bit. The second tool I'm going to need is our brushing tool. So this brush really just weathers the surface of the stone. We've already done that on the surface on the top, so we need to do it on the side as well. Next we need our PPE. We've got a mask, we've got some earmuffs. Now this is a limestone, so the silica content is quite low, but it's always better to be safe than sorry, and we always recommend that you're wearing your PPE when you're dealing with natural stone. So what we've taken it from is this quite hard, sharp edge, including these little ribs that are from the water jet process, and we've turned it into this finish, nice and smooth, a rounded profile, perfect for the inside of a pool or a spa. So that took a couple of hours and I'm pretty dusty. I'm going to go and change my clothes in a moment, but before I do, I thought I'd show you the finished result. It's typical Melbourne fashion, it's raining, but this is the edge that we're left with. Nice and smooth on the top, smooth inside, nice and softly rounded, so that when people are sliding in and out of the pool, it's a nice textured finish.